What's happening, man? Welcome to another episode of Fishing Florida. Listen, man, if y'all know where I'm at, y'all know where I'm at. And the good thing about where I'm at is we only got a limited time, so we're gonna make it count, all right? I almost hit a snook or a red on the head. Wow, that's a big splash. Goodness, that's what I be talking about, man. You do a great cast and you just so happen to hit him on the head. Oh my goodness, y'all see that? All right, what that tells me right there, that's what we've been looking for. And I'm tarping a snook sitting right there in the middle. So let's see what we could do. Wow, nothing. That bird must have spooked him. Snook. This snook. Nice snook. Nice snook. Oh, nice snook. Oh no. Oh goodness. We'll put that on spot lock. See if we can land this bad boy. Oh. Come on, brother. What the hell is you doing over there? Oh. See if we can land this snook, y'all. See if we can land this snook. Oh my. Oh. Even though my trolling motor was acting funny, we landed it. Oh my gosh. Look at this snook. Okay. Nice snook, and I seen him shoot out the backside and give me some room here to work with. Wow, look at this. I gotta get a measurement on this one. Excuse me for 1 second. Don't tell me I got my measurement. I don't. All right, what we gonna do, I got that down there. It's tore up, but I think it'll work. Do I have one in here? Don't judge me, man. I be having stuff everywhere, y'all. All right. Hold on, let me check one more spot. Two more. No, that's my hammer. What I got in here? There we go. I knew it was somewhere over here. All right. Come on, come on, come on. Woo. Let's get this bad boy. I'm thinking that this size is a girl, so we're gonna get her a measurement. Hey, these little cheap what you call them work. Just hold your horses, ma'am. That was a good hook set. That wasn't going nowhere. That was a good hook set. I don't know what this is, but I'm buying more. There we go. Now, look at this baby here. Yes, sir. Look at that baby there. Whew. Let's get a quick measurement, get a release on this thing. Let's see what we at. Straighten this bad boy out. Okay, we ain't gonna pinch the tail. I think we better, because this is 29 to 30. So let's get a accurate boom right there. And 30 on the head. Nice. 30 inches. One more look at this bad boy. Then we're gonna get a release on it. Whew. Yes, sir. That's what it's all about. Can I see myself, more importantly? There we go. Make sure I'm all up in. That's nice. It was worth the trip today. I started not to take this trip, but it was worth it. Oh. I know. Hold on, I got you. Oh, she wanna leave. I'm trying to revive you the right way. Okay. I guess I ain't have out the water too long, and there she goes. Man, that's what it's all about, y'all. That is what it's all about. Oh my goodness, that is what it's all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around.